brand new Fiat cabs in stock. If you're looking for a cab for your 11090, this is the type of cab. Or maybe you have a Fiat 880, that's the cab. There's the narrow one, and this is the wide one. They come complete with all the glass, sunroof, LED lights, wipers, mirrors, and they're painted in Fiat terracotta. They're made in Italy, they're made in the home of Fiat in Turin. They're made to fit Fiat tractors, wide ones, narrow ones. Whichever tractor you have in a Fiat, these will bolt on to your base as long as your base is sound. Give us a call on 087 925 7824 if you want to pre-order one of these cabs.